Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I came up with the random idea to get rid of all this red, not this red, but like the red on the trim and the red on the doors. I already got the door panels and everything off. I'm getting ready to take this dash off because see how it's all terribly spray painted. I'm gonna sand all this down, maybe take this off, and I'm gonna paint it matte black to match the outside because I'm gonna black interior with blue exterior. I'm gonna do it right, take my time with it, and well, I'll do it right with rattle cans, but take my time with it, make sure it's as good as I can get it, because I don't like the way this looks at all. It's super cheap looking. I went ahead and took a couple bolts out. Well, I pulled on it and something snapped, so I'm sure that's a terrible sign. But if I pull this off, I think I can just slide it this way. And I had to, yeah, this is a mess, but it's coming along. I'm gonna have to pull all this stuff off. Oh, that's a bolt. All right, that's good. Don't have to worry about. Oh, Jesus. Ow. All right, that solved that problem. There's a couple bolts holding this to that, so if I take these, or not bolts, if I take these screws out, it should just come off. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, shoot. Easy peasy. This feels so cheap. It feels like, I guess it's supposed to be like rubber or something, but it feels super cheap. Let's see, is there anything that looks too sketchy? No, nothing looks sketchy. I really like this wood grain. That's really cool looking, even though, oh, that's what I was gonna do. I need to figure out how to take off this piece too. I don't think that should be, I should unplug the radio so I don't pull some of my fancy wires. Looks like there's a bunch of screws holding this one on. I'm putting all my screws in the ashtray, so hopefully I don't lose them all like I always end up losing a couple dozen screws. So as I'm pulling this apart, I'm beginning to think I might be a little in over my head because this all looks like it's one whole piece. I thought it would come out in separate pieces, but maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I'm just looking, taking screws out as I see them. Probably not going to be able to put them in because I'm going to forget where they go, but good thing I'm recording it, some of it. So, you know, guys, I'm beginning to think taking this dash off is what you guys would call a bad decision. But I'm already this far into the project, so I might as well not give up now. I think I gotta take that one and that one out, and it should just, I don't know what Ford was thinking in terms of this one, because this stupid bolt, you can barely turn it with a ratchet, and I just got it loose enough to turn with my hands. This one right here, you can turn it one notch and then it hits the windshield. Stupid engineers. The other side was easy. Like it got that. Now I think it should pull off. Maybe, possibly. Nope, there's a couple more bolts on the underside of this. I think after I get those off, then I might want to start coming off. Moved all my screws and stuff in this cup because after thinking about it, you probably don't want your screws to be flopping around when this thing comes off. I got this side all ready to get pulled off. Stupid wasp. I gotta get that other side pulled off. I think I'm almost done. Fingers crossed. Alright, we're about this far into the project. These are some speaker wires from the former dude. I'm just gonna cut those, and I think this is another speaker wire that goes to the back. But I think it all moves. It's ready to pull out after I'm just gonna cut these because these don't go at anything. They just wrap around a million times. And then, I don't know, probably cut this too and just splice it because I know what this goes to. This goes to the speaker wires, the rear little podium speakers that this dude rigged up in this thing. It's pretty simple. Will this go back perfectly and look perfect? Nope. I don't think this is gonna ever run again, but it's fine because this is a progress. Huh. Here's the VIN number. Oh my god, I got it. Oh, okay, yeah, this is seriously never ever gonna come back together. This is a little overwhelming, so this might take a couple days to get done. But this looks very sketchy and very daunting. But I made sure to unplug the power wire, or the positive cable, not before I started tearing apart this project. I unhooked it after I started sparking and everything, and hey, better late than never. Alright, well, I'm gonna take a break because I was working with this for about 2 hours. But take a break, then start the sanding process on all the trim, and just paint it matte black. The dude drew wieners on the passenger door. Who doesn't love wieners? I don't like wieners. I don't like wieners at all. That's why I'm painting over it, because wieners are bad. Not that there's anything wrong with liking wieners, guys. I'm not like that. Tilly dog probably ate a couple of my bolts, a couple of my screws. He's got a couple screws loose. I just went ahead and lightly scuffed it up, gave it something to stick to, wipe it down, and I think it'd be ready for this little cheap coat of matte black. I'm not expecting it to really matter because it's going to be inside, out of the weather. So go easy with it. Make sure I don't get any runs, because I really want to do it right, and not have to take this back apart to paint it or replace it, because this was a lot of work. It really looks pretty good. Yeah, it's an old. I think it's bent too. I don't think it's supposed to be. Let me get out of the thing. I don't think it's supposed to look like that, but you know, it's as good as I can get it. Alright, so I got all this stuff painted, all that over there painted. I ran out of paint, got a little more paint here in a little bit. Finishing up this door. I got the chrome off both the doors, and then I think I'm gonna paint the glove box and the dash like a white, like an ice white, and probably go ahead and paint this white as well, just to throw stuff off, so it's not all black, because the whole truck's black right now. Obviously it's not gonna be black after I get it painted that blue color, but it's coming along. It's gonna be a couple days project, especially putting the dash back in there. I think I've said that before, but it's the truth, man. This is very, very daunting. I got, you know, but I'm gonna get it done because I want to make this truck look decent, you know. But yeah, I'll get this stuff painted up, get back with you guys probably tomorrow, something like that. All right, guys, here's what I ended up getting done today. That's a real big upgrade. I love how that turned out. Like I said, it turned out great, but we have another problem. My brakes decided that they don't want to work anymore, so I tore into it, took the rotors off, and my Wheelmaster cylinders are blown out completely, and I took off the rotor cap, and my brake pad fell off my brake shoe. It's all there, and just, you know, this is supposed to go right there. Yeah, so I need new pads, new cylinders, both sides. If you sit there and pump it real hard, it works, but then it bleeds off, and that's leaking out the U-joint. That's probably not good, but ignore it until it becomes a problem. That's my motto. Seems to be working out fantastic. But that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Keep watching for more stuff like this. This is a really cool project. It took me like a week to do because it took a long time for all the parts to come in, but I think it's a pretty cool little project. It really improved the inside. dirt, grime. So yeah, peace.